Yes, we're back again. And in a world where being mean, bullying, and social media taunting is easy, it's always refreshing to see someone being nice. Today's World Kindness Day, but this doesn't mean you should only be kind today, but we're helping you and help others right throughout the year with these tips.
All right, so let's get into the tips.
So tell me, what do you think is the first tip?
Well, Minor said the first thing is you've got to take care of you.
Take care of me?
Yeah.
That's why you're kind?
If you're not okay, then nobody else will be okay.
Or meaning if I have a bad mood and I'm miserable and...
Then you can't be kind
miserable
to anybody else. So the first, you have to look at yourself first, because whatever is going on with you is what you're going to transfer to those around you.
I suppose.
Yeah.
If you wake up on the wrong side of the bed and then you decide to you go, and snap after everybody when you come in a TVJ this morning because you're miserable, then...
Don't tell them what you did this morning.
I did it!
No, that's Omawale and Mr. Harrow. No, a joke.
Grandpa.
But my people, it's World Kindness Day tips, and it's going to start like we said. Take care of you yourself. Take a nice bubble bath and
Suppose
enjoy
you have no
time.
bathtub.
You
Suppose you
can
don't have shower.
wash pan.
But I can't fit now one wash pan per seater. You think say me and zip your size? I can't fit now one wash pan.
Okay, but if you don't have a bath, don't take a bubble bath. Just take a run in the rain. It feels so good. When it's raining, just run outside, butt naked.
Me never tell you that. Yeah, everyone's telling that. So when they block you up for indecent exposure, I did not
No,
tell
it's
you
called
that.
expressing thyself. Decent in your yard. Nobody's there. Go to futureme.org and write a letter to yourself, encouraging your future self, and they will send it to you.
Oh, that's a nice idea. On the specified date. That's nice. When you feel like you might be down, you might need that.
Right.
Congratulate yourself on something that you struggle with. Like you're trying to lose weight and you lose a pound. Congratulate yourself with that. Not with food, but congratulate yourself. Finishing a tough task. Tell yourself how awesome you are.
Just like my pants can't fit, maybe my take care of myself is I'm going to lose 2 pounds.
Yeah, next week when the pants can fit.
Yes, I'm going to be wearing them right back here. Send a positive text to yourself. Set an alarm to go off 3 times during World Kindness Day. And when the alarm sounds, stop what you're doing. Send a text to you to some. No, but you can send yourself a message to say I love you, and you can send a text to Sakina say I love you. You can send an email to somebody you love, and just let them know how awesome they are and how much you appreciate them.
The next one is really, really good. Donate to a charity.
Yes!
Donate to a charity.
I have one for you when you're ready.
Yeah, man. If you feel like you have to do something extra nice, because you should be nice every day, but this is a good thing to do. Somebody is gonna need that. Somebody's gonna use that. Somebody's gonna feel so much better once they have something that they don't usually have. So donate, give. There's so many charities in Jamaica that
we just need to go to the main one now. I support Jamaica.com and click on Maxfield Park Children's Home. That's the charity for this week. It is Maxfield Park Children's Home to get a bus for the children so we can transport them in a safe place. If there's an emergency and they're sick, boom. I support Jamaica.com. There are 5 ways to donate. We'll pick up the money. Yeah, we will send the bear and pick up the money.
No excuse.
No excuse, all right? But love and help a charity today.
Well, next one is cute. Send flowers to someone. When was the last time you got flowers?
Oh my God, this is real. So what's today? Monday?
Yeah.
Was it Friday I came home? No,
Friday.
Wait. I came home Thursday evening, late. And I looked at some beautiful roses from my husband. And I'm like, because we weren't that kind of couple. We're not that kind of couple. Rosy and sweetie. And so we're not in them. We're not.
But you feel good when you get it done.
Me not lie.
So just imagine how somebody else is going to feel if you just get up one day, not just today, and say, all right, let me send you a bouquet. And you don't even have to be a bouquet now. If you can't afford a bouquet,
one rose,
man
one
out
flower.
of the corner, East Kings House Road, West Kings House Road, $200, $200.
Or you can just go pick something, Sakina.
Or them sell 2 roses. You can't go buy it.
You can pick a flower.
Yeah, don't go pick it off of people while me never tell you that.
They might lock you up like they did the poor man that picked the Aki.
But yeah, just imagine how nice it makes you feel. It's just a token. And some people receive love and feel love by just getting something.
And some people receive love differently. So that's why I say I was never really, give me roses, them kind of girl.
Yeah, me like that.
That's not how our love grew. But me not lie,
it
baby.
feel good.
You could keep sending
somebody
those flowers.
some flowers. What's
great.
next?
And send your grandmother flowers too.
Yeah.
Record a birthday greeting video.
Aw.
A 30-second personal message is all it takes. If you want to go all out, record a birthday party and email it to someone.
Oh, record an actual birthday party. Okay.
Oh, you record the party.
Me don't know, you just have one and record it. I suppose that them say.
Okay, record their party for them and send it to them. I don't really get that one, my producer, Gary. Okay, record a birthday greeting video and send it to somebody. It will last forever.
Of course.
They'll always see that video.
Next one says pay it forward. Everybody knows how to do that, right?
No.
Go down to your local fast food shop, coffee shop, and randomly just pay for your food and pay for somebody else's food.
You know,
if you see somebody else who needs it and can't afford it, if you're stuck in a supermarket or at a gas station or anywhere, and you see somebody who looks like they can't afford it, or even over here, the cashier is saying, oh, you need this much money. Don't make a big deal out of it. Then you have to make everybody know so you do it. Just show the little money and go and through and walk.
And you know, Sakina, it's not even about looking like you can't afford, because that's hard to judge sometimes. What I think it is whatever it is. Sometimes people may look away and they really can't afford it.
Yeah.
My dad the other day went in the supermarket and he did the same thing to an old lady, and I realized that day where I get my little thing from, philanthropic kind of nature. And I'm like, first I was like, Daddy, why are you buying her groceries? Me want the money. Buy my groceries. But it was a really beautiful thing to see how the person received it.
Choose well though, you know, because you might think it's like a buckle of beach you ever buy and then you look and see a big trolley and I'll take care of it. And then they can't do it. So just careful what you do.
Hold on.
Mama, and just be careful. Next one.
Right.
Thank a policeman or a civil servant. They work hard, you know.
They do.
I know you don't think that, you know, all the time them is the best people, and I know because I have the police officer them, and I know because I have the soldier, and I know because I have the nurse them, because they work super hard. And instead of being mean to them today, just be kind.
Yeah.
Be grateful. What's next?
And I want to say, when you talk about the peas, sometimes we burn out police, we burn out politicians, a part of our culture. But sometimes they are working hard and they have to make and pass laws. And sometimes they're out there running all over the place, trying to do their best, sometimes with little bit. So sometimes we have to stop and observe and not follow the crowd, but look at individuals and
see what they're
doing. What are you doing? And as Sakina said, say thank you. Tip big.
Do you tip?
I do tip. I tip because, why do I tip? Because I've been cultured that way with my international experiences.
Right, and that is what I was going to say.
That is why I tip.
People who we live in Jamaica, we don't have a culture of tipping people.
It's not.
When I started traveling was the first time I realized that, you know, your server, you can't give him a little extra. The person who pump your gas, you can't give him a little extra. It wasn't something that I was cultured to do. Try that. Try making that a part of, yes, you're too mean, Prince. Stop shaking it. Try making that a part of your culture. Because guess what? We're not saying they're entitled. We're not saying anybody's entitled to anything, you know. But I'm just saying it's a nice thing to do.
It's a nice gesture. But the thing is, what I don't understand, and I asked the other day, is when people collect your garbage and they leave you the Christmas envelope.
No, I'm not talking about people.
I've been wondering,
they must get
is that a tip? Because here's my thing. Anybody that's going to get a tip from me, and it's not like I have it to tip everybody and give extra. Even though I'm on TV, I would love to tell you my pay grade. It is not what you all think. So don't think I'm here making a lot of money. We do it for the love. You understand? We don't do it for the money. Okay? And we're passionate about our work. But it's not, you know, we live in Jamaica and the pay grade in Jamaica is very low. And a lot of us get paid a lot less than we do than you know, where it is internationally. I know people that collect garbage internationally and they're making way more money than our brothers and sisters out there in the field, you know, picking up garbage. And let's put our garbage together properly, because we don't want them to come pick up things all scattered all over the place. But if you leave me an envelope, please pick up all traces of the garbage. If you're going to want a tip at the restaurant, give me the best service in the world. You better smile and make me feel good like Spa Jamaica when you're serving me.
You get it.
So I give you extra.
You get it when you deserve it.
Yes.
And the last one is pass on the gossip. It not pass on, you know. Pass on it. You don't want to hear it. Just today, when somebody comes to you, I say your ear said. Just say, not today. I don't want to hear it.
I don't want to
Keep that to yourself. Don't discuss people. Great minds discuss ideas.
Ideas.
How you want to make your life better.
Better.
How you see your future life.
Future.
Not people and them business.
Not people and them business.
We're all guilty of it.
We're all guilty of it.
But not today.
And the Bible said. you know that.
Me not preach today. Look like you have a different agenda.
No, you preach. I like it. No, you can preach as you preach.
My
You know.
goodness.
Don't what?
Don't take the gossip.
Don't take
Pass on
the gossip. Yes.
It's
So all
World
of you who
Kindness Day.
plan to chat me today and say Empress said, Empress is this, pass on the chatting. I want to big up the kids at Hillel the other day. I did a session at Hillel, and there were some great young people who were charged to be nation builders. And they're very kind. They communicated after, and I want to big them up this morning. They're about to donate to a charity.
Very nice.
They're about to pay it forward.
So they're being nice.
And they're being
Today's
nice.
World Kindness Day. Let's be
Yes,
nice.
let's
I'll be
be
nice
nice.
to you today, Empress.
We always nice to each other, though.
True. We're
We
going
must
for a
stay them
break.
way
We'll soon
there.
come back. Be nice.
Be nice.
This segment of Smile